Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can add a video to send out through a SmartPlan. You can do this either by email or a text message. So first, let's go over here to our SmartPlans tab in Command. And for this, we'll create a custom SmartPlan. Name it whatever you'd like and create plan. So for our first example, I'll show you first how to get this into a text message. So we'll add send text building block or step to our SmartPlan. And over here on the right, you can see where you can go ahead and create whatever text you would like to send out. When doing this, you'll just make sure that you have copied your video URL or video link. So we'll come over here to our YouTube channel, and I'm just going to right click and copy the link address for one of our YouTube videos. We do recommend having the video hosted on a public site like Vimeo or YouTube. YouTube usually works best with command. And so you can go ahead, type out whatever text you would like. And go ahead and paste your link into the text to go out, and you can add step. That's how you would do it through a text. The other way to do it is through an email, and there's two types of emails. So there's two different ways to send a video through an email in a SmartPlan. So I'm just going to add a day here for the sake of demonstration, and we'll just drag over the email step into this next day. And on the right-hand side, you can see the two different types of emails that you can send through a SmartPlan. One is simple. This literally is exactly what it means. It's the text that you type out for this email. There's no images. It's just the text that you've entered. So we'll just say a subject line. And then here in the body of your email, type whatever text you would like. And then if you'd like to add your link, you can choose add hyperlink, paste your video hyperlink, and you can name it here. So this is actually our Smart Plans Overview class archive, and add link. This will make a nice hyperlink within that email for you. This is a simple email example, and go ahead and add that step. That way that email will include that video link for you. The other way is to choose a designs email. Now, this will ask you to select a design from your Command Designs tab. This will need to be an email design that you've previously edited or created. So I'm going to go over and click Select Design. It will show you any email design, email template that you have already edited and saved. So we'll just choose maybe this one. It'll open the email design just to let you see if you want to make any particular changes. And this is when we can actually add our video if we haven't already. So if you already have video links in your email design, you're good to go. You can add multiple video links into one design. But let me show you how you can add it if you haven't yet. When you are in the email design template editor and you're viewing it, we'll just grab the video widget on the right side or the video block, drop it wherever you would like it to be in the email. So where you see the green ribbon lets you know where it will be located. And this is where on the right-hand side, you can edit this video block. So we'll go ahead, drop our video URL here, and you can actually have an image over it. So it's not just this grayed out image right here. So we'll go ahead and choose replace, and you can choose any image you like. Just looking for a particular one here. You can see like our class overview images we have. So I'll just choose one of these and click replace, and it will put that image over it so that it is not just a grayed image. Once you're done editing how you would like the video to look, Just choose the back arrow right there and it will have saved it. You can click Save and Close at the top and X. This should actually bring you to your smart plan and you'll see the design is right here and you can add that step to your smart plan. That means that this email design that has that video link in it will go out to your contacts you've added to the smart plan. So that's 3 ways you can share a video through a particular smart plan. If you have any questions about this or any questions about your KW platforms in general, we'll be happy to help. Just shoot us an email. The email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.